Hello everyone. Today we will see how to freeze and unfreeze the rows of column of a worksheet. So let's start. In this worksheet, we can see that this is the row, respective name of every column, and these are the rows. If we want to, if we click this, if we scroll this, we will see every data is going upwards along with the uh, heading. Okay, so if we want to keep this as fixed, then select this, go to view menu, freeze panes, and freeze top row. At this row will not move now. It has been fixed now. This data will go upwards. If you click this, you can see this happened. Okay, so if we want to undo this, that is make this just like before, then same process. Select this, go to view menu, freeze panes, unfreeze panes. You can see we are back to the older position. Same way, if we want if we click on this, we will see that every data is going to the left. If we want to freeze this column, okay, this column, we are giving it a color. Okay, if we want to freeze this column, then select this entire column, then go to view menu, freeze panes, and freeze first column. You will see every data is going to the left except date column. And if we want to unfreeze it, then select this one, freeze panes, or if you don't even select, go to view menu, unfreeze panes, you will see everything is just like before. I hope you have understood. Thank you very much. See you soon.